Good evening and welcome to the Philstockworld Daily Wrap-Up Show. I am Royston Bond III. With me, as always, is the lovely Miss Moneypenny.
Hi, hello America. So good to see you all this evening. Did we have a nice day in the markets?
Oh yes. Quite fun. Netflix hit our target at the open for a smashing $400 profit in the $25,000 portfolio.
Yes. I'm so excited. Now I can afford to drink my face off this weekend.
Quite.
What moved the markets today?
Nothing. Really. Rather flat on the whole.
I was once flat. $4,000 fixed me right up.
My goodness.
Did the Russell make the 800 mark?
Not even close today.
You would think we would have done better with the strong ADP report and the positive comments from the Federal Reserve.
Yes. One would think.
What went wrong?
That nasty little trade bot seems to have failed to boost the market.
You don't like the trade bot?
No. He's after our place in the broadcast. He is not even in the union.
Oh, quite. Phil said the Nasdaq needed to hold 2,750 this morning. Where did it finish?
2,750.
Wow! That trade bot is good.
It was the transports that really tumbled. A bit alarming if you ask me. Financial stocks were weak as well.
Were there any new trades today?
Oh yes. Phil was trying to find some bullish plays to balance out the $25,000 portfolio.
What did he find?
Eagle bulk shippers. Some March calls. Phil feels that shipping fleets will get more use in the coming quarter.
Can you say, a fleet of sheep creep the steep street 3 times fast?
Yes. But I'm not going to.
Come on, Royston. Have some fun. The BBC makes us practice our tongue twisters anyway. I promise not to make a sexual reference.
Well, all right. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, where's the peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked?
Oh, smashing.
I thank you. Now, we had best get on with the news before we are replaced by trade bots.
Oh, quite.
There was a weekly spread on Netflix.
Did you say spread? I was.
Moneypenny, you promised.
Oh, sorry.
Due to the flat trading, IWM and TZA trades went nowhere.
Tradebot did not like the TZA.
No, not a bit. He said shorting puts was confusing for his program.
Is it possible to exploit that?
Perhaps. Meanwhile, we were happy to take a price line short trade off the $440 mark.
Yes, that one is already looking good.
Hoss liked up and Phil agreed. That became another bullish play for June.
I see there was a 7 million barrel build in oil inventories. That seems huge.
Quite.
Did that help our USO short trades from Monday?
Yes. We took profits on those and ran.
I love a good profit taking.
Quite.
What did Bill Gross say about the financial industry?
Mr. Gross said, to rebalance debt loads and re-equitize financial institutions that should have known better, central banks and policymakers are taking money from one class of asset holders and giving it to another.
That certainly doesn't seem right.
It is not.
I see that 5,500 flights were cancelled in the US today due to the weather. Are we going to short the airlines?
Most likely, that will be a topic of discussion in member chat this evening.
Chris Martinson wrote today, by the time the Fed becomes institutionally aware that inflation is raging across the globe, it will be too late. While the money printing induced high we are currently on may feel fun today, the unavoidable inflationary smackdown we'll experience tomorrow most certainly will not.
Yes, that was quite insightful.
And you remember the European Commission report that claimed there was no correlation between commodity prices and speculation?
Yes.
Nick Sarkozy is having a new study made. He said the report that he saw should be published on April Fool's Day.
That is jolly funny.
I like Nick Sarkozy. He is hot.
Well, let's leave it at that.